Hi guys, this is Megha Verma. Welcome to my channel. So in today's tutorial, we will learn how to design this Facebook cover in CorelDRAW. So without any delay, let's get started. So this is the size of our Facebook cover. Now first we will select the rectangle tool from the toolbar and we will draw a rectangle. Now we will set the size of the rectangle 820 pixels by 312 pixels. Now we will set the align of the rectangle. First we will click on specified point, then align center horizontally and align center vertically. Now we will drag the rectangle like this and we will right click to make a copy. Now we will press Ctrl key and we will drag like this. Then we will press Ctrl R to make more copies. Now we have these 7 rectangles. Now we'll select all and we will drag like this. Now we'll select one rectangle and we will make a copy by drag and right click. Now we will adjust the size of the first rectangle. Now we'll delete all these. Now we have these 2 rectangles. Now we'll fill color. Now we'll select the second rectangle and we will select interactive fill tool from the toolbar. Now we'll click on fountain fill. Now we will crop the colors. In the left we will select the dark shade and in the right we will select the lighter shade. Now we'll select both and we will remove the outline. Now we'll select this rectangle and we will delete. Now we'll select both these rectangles. Now we'll press Ctrl and we will drag like this, then right click. Now we'll click on mirror horizontal. Now similarly we will make more copies. We will select and we will press Ctrl then right click. Now we'll select the rectangles and we will change the color one by one. Now we'll select all and we will right click then group. Now we will select the polygon tool from the toolbar and we will draw a polygon shape like this. Now we will zoom. Now we will press shift key and we will drag inside, then right click to make a copy. Now we select the outer shape and we will remove the outline by right click. Now we'll fill color in inner shape and we will remove the outline. We will adjust the size. Now we'll select both and we will adjust the size. Now we'll select the shape and we will drag and right click to make a copy. Now we'll select both and again we will press shift key, then right click to make a copy. Now we'll select single and we will make one more copy. Now we'll select and we will make a copy. Now we will decrease the size and we will place here. Now again we will press shift key and we will drag, then right click to make a copy. Now we'll select and we will make a copy. Now we will make one more copy. Now we'll select single shape and we will drag and right click. Now we'll decrease the size. Now we'll fill white color in this shape. Now we will place images. Now we have these 5 images. Now we'll place one by one. Now we'll right click on the image and we will select power clip inside. Now we'll click on the shape. Similarly, we will place all the images. Now we will adjust the power clip. We will select and click on edit. Now we will adjust the image, then finish. Now similarly we will adjust all the power clip. Now we will change the color of these shapes. Now we'll select the text tool from the toolbar and we will write the text. Now we will select the font style. You can take any font style of your choice. I will place this text here. Now we'll increase the size of the text and we will change the font style. Now we'll select the shape one by one and we will apply shadow tool. We will select the white polygon shape. So guys, our Facebook cover design is ready. I hope you like the design. If you have any question regarding this tutorial, you can ask me on the comment box. Please like, share and comments. And if you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get updates of my videos. Thanks for watching.